So what I have here is some information that will go through and auto format based on response in a spreadsheet. So when I take a look here, my initial thoughts from your email is we could go ahead and mark if the words are correct or incorrect. I'm not quite sure what your score rating scale is for what color you want. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight this column. I'm going to go to Format, and I'm going to go to Conditional Formatting. So I'm going to say Apply to the range, and I highlighted this one here because I'm going to compare it to there. So I'm going to say if the text is exactly, so I want the text in here to go through, and if it is correct, it's going to go ahead and highlight it in green. Done. So I don't have to go through and do any of that. So because you have your spreadsheet to set up that it is automatically correct, that would be a rule. Now I noticed that all of them will do the same thing. So I'm going to go through and then modify this format, conditional formatting. Instead of the range E2 to E16, I'm going to do E2 to I16, and that will just cover all of your words. So anyone that are marked there will go ahead and be correct. So those are going to be the ones that are there. To have them marked wrong, you would have to have all of the different ways the kids could spell that. And that would be a little bit more difficult. So again, when I take a look at your number here, we have score. We can see 6, 3, 5. So I can go ahead and go here, data. And then I can go to format, conditional formatting, and I can do a color scale. And I would say the minimum value that I'm going to go ahead and apply to, we can see there that you're going to have shades of green, meaning if they are a lower score, they're going to be white. And as they get closer up to the 10, because they know that the minimum value is going to be 3 and then the max value will be 10, so the lighter colors will be different ones to work with. I'm not really sure all of the different things that you want to have highlighted to go with, but that would be one of the ways that I would go through and use format, conditional formatting, where you just have to set the rules up.